Samrat Sakya. I am back with a small video again. In last episode, I said you about physics topic. In physics subject, static electricity is the topic. So here we go to the topic. Definition first. Static electricity. The static electricity definition is the study of a behavior of a charge at a rest is also called as a static electricity. Here we go to the next definition. Here we go to the charged body definition. In a body, if the electrons are excess, then it is also called as a charged body. So here in last episode I said you so many SI values, SI units, CJ units and dimensional formulas, so many I said. And next quantization of charge. Q is equals to plus or minus NE in N value 1, 2, 3. So here in this in the number of integral to multiples of the charge is also known as a quantization of charge. Here we come to our second episode in physics static electricity. So the law of conservation of charge, the definition is the charge of an isolated system is conserved, it is not possible to create or destroy the net charge. Here we go to the law of conservation of energy as a definition. So I am going to say an example, okay. When a glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth, okay. When a glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth, the electrons, the means, okay. When a glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth, the electrons from the glass rod is transformed to the silk cloth, okay. The electrons are transformed from a glass rod to silk cloth. So the transfer of electrons from a glass rod to silk cloth, that means the glass rod is losing electrons, so it is positively charged, and it is receiving means it is negatively charged. By this we can say that if the electrons are transferring from glass rod to silk cloth, the electrons transferring, so it is giving and it is gaining. So the net charge of this glass rod to silk cloth means the both are constant, okay. The charge remains constant, electrons are transferring but the charge remains constant, okay. This is the example. So here we go to the next definition, electrification of a body. So I will write the definition. The process of converting a neutral body to charged body. So here I say the definition what means electrification of a body, the process of converting a neutral body to charged body is also known as electrification of a body. Understand? Okay. Next I will write the electrification of a body is done in three types. They are known as the first type, the electrification done by friction, and second type is the electrification done by friction and the electrification done by conduction, and the electrification of a body done by friction and electrification done by conduction, and the third type is electrification also done by induction. So here guys I will explain again. Electrification of a body, the process of converting a neutral body to charged body. So they are known as three types. It is divided into the three types. The first type is the electrification done by friction, and the electrification done by conduction, and the electrification done by induction. In electrification of body there are three types: electrification done by friction, done by conduction and done by induction. I am saying now first type. The first type is by induction, electrification done by friction. In this, the process of converting, I will say the definition, okay, by writing. The process of converting a neutral body to charged body by rubbing, okay, by rubbing method, by rubbing to another body. Okay, in this the example is, so guys, I say the definition once more for you. The process of converting a neutral body to charged body by rubbing to another body. In the electrification of electrification done by that, in the definition I said that by this method. Okay, here example is in the last example I said from the glass rod is converted into the silk rod, like this something example, no? Like that only here the glass rod is converting to silk cloth. It is positively charged, it is negatively charged, so I said no. Like that only the process will be changes and the masses will be constant and the net charge will be equal. The electrons will be transferred, but the masses are equal and the net charge is equal. So here we go to the definition 2, type 2. I will write the definition. When an uncharged body, okay, when an uncharged body comes in contact with a charged body, then the uncharged body will also become to the charged body only. Okay, this will also become to the charged body only. I will say the definition for you guys, okay, don't worry. This is the second type in the electrification of the body. Second type this is, okay. In the second type, by conduction this process. When an uncharged body comes in contact with a charged body, then the uncharged body also become charged body. Here you will get a doubt. How will we get an uncharged body into the charged body? I will say it will get by rubbing only. By rubbing with each other. By rubbing only, the uncharged body can become into the charged body, okay? So here we go to the third type of induction. Now this is by induction process, okay? I will write the definition, guys. See this. Redistribution of a material by a charge due to the presence of charged body. Due to the presence of charged body. Induction is nothing but a process of attraction. Attraction the charged body. Only nearly placed on the objects. Okay. So in this topic, I said induction, the three types, the electrostatic of charged body. In this three types, by induction, by friction, by conduction. Both. So by this I am saying that the three types are nearly charged by rubbing or rubbing only. By rubbing only, from the uncharged will become to charged, positively will be moved from negative. So many I explained. So friends, this is the topic today. So here the topic, guys. I have ended this topic today. So okay, guys, please subscribe my channel Smart Samrat Sakya. Topic you understand, guys? I think you understand. Okay, bye friends.